Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English podcast for beginners. Today, we are going to learn something very important, something very helpful. Today's topic is train your brain to speak English faster. 10 powerful hacks for beginners. Are you ready?
Yes, Jessica, I am ready. This sounds exciting.
Great. So let's learn slowly, step by step. We will talk, we will practice, and we will repeat. And you, our listener, you can also practice with us. Don't be shy. Let's begin. Jack, do you know the first hack?
Is it listening?
Yes, very good. The first hack is listen more every day. When you listen to English, your brain learns the rhythm, the sound, the flow. So listeners, repeat after me. I will listen every day.
I will listen every day.
Good. Even 10 minutes is enough. Your brain will become faster and smarter. Now, the second hack. Jack, do you think in English or in your own language?
To be honest, I think in my own language first.
And that is normal. But to speak fast, you must think in English. Start small. Think simple words. Apple, go, today, happy. Listeners, try it now. Think of one simple word in English.
I am thinking water.
Perfect! The more you think in English, the faster you speak. Hack number 3 is shadowing. Shadowing means listening to a native speaker and repeating at the same time.
Like an echo?
Exactly. Shadowing trains your mouth to move faster. Let's try a small practice. Say, I am learning English.
I am learning English.
Good job. Listeners, you try it too. Hack number 4, use short sentences. Short sentences make speaking easier.
So instead of saying, I would like to go to the supermarket because I need many things, I can just say, I need to go to the store.
Exactly. Short, simple, clear. Listeners, repeat, short sentences help me speak fast. This hack sounds funny, but it is true. To speak fast, you must speak slowly first.
Really?
Yes, speaking slowly builds confidence. Then, slowly, your speed increases. Let's practice a slow sentence. I can speak English.
I can speak English.
Good. And now a little faster.
I can speak English.
Perfect. Hack number 6. Practice common phrases every day. Phrases like, how are you? I don't understand. Please repeat. Thank you. When you know many phrases, you speak faster.
Can we practice some?
Of course. Repeat after me. How are you?
How are you?
I'm fine.
I'm fine.
Can you repeat that?
Can you repeat that?
Great. Listeners, try these too. Now, hack number 7. Very important. Stop translating in your head.
That is difficult for many learners.
Yes, but you can train your brain. When you hear English, try to understand the idea, not the translation. For example, if I say, it's raining, you understand the idea without translating it. Let's practice. Listeners, hear this phrase. Time for breakfast. Just understand the meaning. No translation. Hack 8. Read out loud. Reading out loud trains your tongue, your lips, your breath, everything.
Like reading a book or a story?
Yes, even short texts. Let's read a simple line together. Today is a good day.
Today is a good day.
Nice. Read every day for 3 minutes. Hack number 9. Practice with a friend. Talking with someone makes you confident.
What if someone doesn't have a friend who speaks English?
Good question. You can practice with someone who is also learning, or you can talk to yourself. Yes, talking to yourself is real practice. Say small things. I am cooking. I am walking. I am studying. Listeners, try one sentence about yourself. And the final hack. Hack number 10. Be brave, make mistakes.
Make mistakes?
Yes, mistakes help you learn. If you wait for perfect English, you will never speak fast. So speak, talk, try, and learn from mistakes. Repeat after me. Mistakes help me learn.
Mistakes help me learn.
Very good. Now, let's do a small practice. Jack, I will say a short sentence. You repeat it quickly. I can learn fast.
I can learn fast.
English is easy.
English is easy.
I speak every day.
I speak every day.
Great job. Listeners, practice with us. Now, let's review all the 10 hacks we learned today.
Yes, let's do it.
1. Listen every day. 2. Think in English. 3. Shadow native speakers. 4. Use short sentences. 5. Speak slowly first. 6. Practice common phrases daily. 7. Stop translating in your head. 8. Read out loud. 9. Practice with a friend. 10. Be brave and make mistakes.
These hacks are simple but very powerful.
Yes, and if you follow them every day, you will speak English faster, easier, and with more confidence.
Thank you, Jessica. I learned so much today.
And thank you, Jack. And thank you, dear listeners. Keep practicing, keep learning, and keep speaking English every day. See you next time.